This video will show you how to add a header row in Excel. Select the row you want to freeze. Click the View tab. Click Freeze Panes. Select a freeze pane option. Select Freeze Top Row. This ensures that the top row of your sheet remains locked into position, even as you scroll through your data. Add emphasis to your header row. Printing a header row. Click the Page Layout tab. Click the Print Titles button. Set your print area. Click the button next to Rows to repeat at top. This will allow you to select the row as the constant header. Columns to repeat at left allows you to select columns to keep constant on each page. Set a header or footer, optional. Print your sheet. Creating a header in a table. Select the data that you want to turn into a table. Click the Insert tab and click Table. Check the My Table Has Headers box and click OK. Enable or disable the header. This will show or hide the header.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.